On a sunny beach, a flock of sandbirds is searching for food. Among the flock is a small frightened bird. Her mother wants to teach her to forage independently. At first the little bird is excited and goes to the water's edge. When the waves subside, she notices that the birds burrow into the sand and feed. She tries her best, but a big wave suddenly hits her. She gets wet and scared and runs onto the dry sand. Hunger prompts her to try again. Seeing a group of turtles nearby, the little bird tries to imitate them. Noticing the turtles emerging from the sand, she does the same. This time she is safe and successfully completes her foraging. With new courage, the little bird overcomes her fear of the sea. She enjoys the adventure of foraging for food while enjoying the waves. Eventually, the little bird grows up to be a brave and skilled bird. She inspires her fellow birds by showing them new techniques. This story teaches us to overcome fear, be confident, and live life independently.
Govardhan Creations and Advertisements.